Hi guys, welcome to the learning Umbraco CMS, and today in this video I would like to show you how to download the HTML template file from the internet into the Windows PC. So after that we will use that HTML file to create the front-end page for the website. And the next one, we will go ahead to create a website template over the Umbraco CMS backend. And after that, we go ahead to create the document type, and finally we will create the page content to display the content on the website. Okay, so let's get started. And this one is the Umbraco.local website we had done in the previous video by installing the Umbraco from the new Git over the Visual Studio. Okay, so now I go ahead to access into the Umbraco admin and provide the username and password here. Click on login button to access into the admin. Okay, click on the home page. Okay, so you can see here we have a lot of the pages have been created here because in the previous video, so we had a template layout when installing the Umbraco on the Windows PC. So it will go ahead to create some pages here for you. Okay, so in this video I will go ahead to delete this existing page, and I will go ahead to guide you how to create the page from the scratch. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay. Okay, so now if we come back to the front end page, yeah, you can see for now we didn't see any web page had been created before. Okay, so this one is the default page of the Umbraco. Back to the backend code. See here. Okay, so we still have the data of the previous shop website. So now we just go ahead to delete it. Okay. We go ahead to delete some documentary and also template. A lot of things here should be deleted. Partial view. Partial view. Delete. Okay, so I will keep it. For the user, for now we have only one user. This one in my account had been created when installing the Umbraco on my Windows PC. You are go ahead to create a new user, but in this video I don't want to create any more user, so leave it by default. Okay, cool. And now I go ahead to open the Visual Studio shortcode first. Okay, so before I open the Visual Studio shortcode, so you have to make sure you already have an HTML template file which will use for this video. Okay, so you can get the template file from the internet. You can go to the web browser, go to the google.com, and you can type HTML free. We have a lot of websites which provides free the HTML code for you. So after you select the template for the purpose, so you go ahead to download it into the local PC. So after that you will extract it and use it for the and include it in the project. Okay. So now I will using introspect template here. I go ahead to extract it. Oh, sorry. I should delete it. Extract again. I will change it introspect. Okay, so now I will copy this one first and open the shortcode in Visual Studio. Okay. And I will go ahead to copy the HTML into this project. Introspect. Okay, so now I will try to access this one from the browser. Umbraco. Enter it. Okay, so here you can see this one is the HTML which I go ahead to use it in this project. You can see now the HTML is working fine. Okay, so now I will go ahead to create the template which will use this HTML for either template. Umbraco. Setting. I will have to create a template for this. I will name it eBay template, web-based template. Save it. Okay, so now go ahead to create a template for home page. Home. Save it. And after that, I go ahead to create a document type. Okay, so I should delete it first. Okay, so now I will have to create a document type for home. Document type wizard or template. Home. Save it. After that, I click on the template here and select the home template for this and save it. Okay, so open to home. So you can see here the home template inherit the layout from the web-based template.cs HTML file. Yeah, so meaning the home is child of the web-based template. Okay, cool. Open to home. Here you can see here we have icon document. So you can change it to home. Home. You can change the color in green, yellow, orange, blue, green, yellow, like. Save it. Okay, back to the home, and for home page. Okay, so home page we have to enter the code for render the body. Save it. Okay, back to the Visual Studio. I will open this HTML file. We have the asset is CSS, font, and GS. Okay, so I will have to copy this folder out of the HTML. I will copy it into this one. Image. And the JavaScript. I copy it into the script folder. Okay, that's all. So now here we have for the CSS from script, we contain the, the, the resources of the HTML we can use in this project. So now come back to the Visual Studio. I will try to refresh this one. Okay, see here, we should include CSS folder into this project, script into this project. For from here, include image, include. Okay, so here when you're taking a look into the view folder here, you can see we have a home.cs HTML file and the web-based template.cs HTML file here has been created into the view folder. Okay, so basically when you create any template, document type, or also the content over the backend CMS here, so it will automatically reflect into the shortcode here. So now you just go ahead to click on the home and include it into this project. Also web-based template include it into the project. Okay, and now I go ahead to open the home page. Sorry, home page. no, sorry. So the render body, it should be in the web-based template. And now I go ahead to open the okay, so if you after you save the content here and you come back to the backend code here, it will automatically change it here. So the render body had been added into the web-based template file. Okay, so now open the HTML of the index page. Index. I go ahead to copy it and paste it into the web-based template file. Okay, copy. So this one should be under the menu. Okay, here, put it here. Okay, so after that we have to change the remove this one. We have to change the path of the CSS and also ZS file. Should be CSS file is main. Remove the first one. ZS file is at the end. Under script folder. jQuery.min. Okay, cool. And now try to back to the browser and refresh this one first, and after that come back. Oh no, open the content. You go ahead to create a new content page here. It should be home, and you name it home. Save and publish. Oh, so you have to select the template for this one. It should be home. Okay, save and publish again, and you click on preview button here. After you click on preview button here, so you are able to see the home page in preview mode. Okay, it looks fine, and you can open this one umbraco.local and open it another tab. Okay, so you can see here the HTML had been migrated into the template of the Umbraco website. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and I will go more detail for the how to create the master templates for the website later in another video. And today, after you finish this video, you know how to download the HTML file from the internet into the Windows PC, and after that, you know how to include it into the Visual Studio Umbraco project. And after that, you also know how to create some template. There is the web-based template homepage for the website. After that, you create the document type for the web page, and finally, you know how to create the content for the website to display the content on the front page. Okay, so I hope that video will helpful for you, and feel free to let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye, and see you later in another video. Talk to you later.